Alright YouTube, it's J-Law again. I'm going to show you how to disassemble a controller real fast in about a minute 30. As you know, you got 7 screws in the background. 6, 3 on each side, 1 under a little tag. I took them out to do this faster. Just pop it off. It ain't going to break. Press triggers down. Back side. This also just pops. Take off your rubber guards. All your buttons go in one way, as you know. Just take them out. Your triggers, you can actually pop them into 2. And your bottom plate pops off. Your D-pad has 2 screws and 2 pincher. Take off your screws and you can usually just pull it off. And you got a disassembled controller in a minute 30.